I'm Gordon Ramsay, and I'm delighted to introduce you to my newest and most amazing restaurant, right here in Las Vegas.
I've just finished up at Hell's Kitchen, just walking down the steps. Yeah, that was really good. There's been mixed reviews about that place, but every bit of food I had was absolutely brilliant. Restaurant itself is nice. Yeah, the scallops were lovely. Beef Wellington was perfect, really flavoursome and tender. And the sticky toffee pudding was fantastic. I couldn't eat it all, I was absolutely stuffed, but gave it a go and it was really, really nice. So yeah, glad I went there. So yeah, I recommend it and give it a go.